morning. MCQs on unconventional machining process, electrical discharge machining. Question number 1. The mechanism of material removal in EDM process is melting and evaporation, melting and corrosion, erosion and cavitation and evaporation. Option C is correct. Erosion and cavitation. So option C. In electrical discharge machining, the tool is made of copper, high speed steel, tungsten carbide and diamond. The tool is made of copper. So in the electrical discharge machining, it is also known as the spark erosion machining. In the spark erosion machining, or it is electro erosion machining. It is based on the erosion of metals by electric sparks produced between the anode and the cathode. The erosion is done by the ionization of the discharge. So anode is a positive and the cathode is a negative. A gap of 0.5 to 0.05 mm is maintained. A dielectric is used in electrical discharge machining, which is a non-conductor of electricity, is formed through the gap. And a voltage of 50 to 250 voltage is applied. Dielectric breaks and cathode emits electrons. Thus the gap is ionized. When more ions are collected in the gap, resistant drop occurs in the gap and thus producing a spark. Okay, spark produces a compressive shock wave and temperature of the spark is of the order of 10,000 degree Celsius. Deep coal drilling of small diameter, say 0.2 mm, is done with the EDM by selecting the tool material as copper wire, tungsten wire, metal, polystyrene. Copper wire is a tool material. Which one of the following statements is true for electrical discharge machining process? The material removal rate takes place due to the melting and evaporation of the workpiece material. Okay, melting and evaporation of the workpiece material. So first question on the mechanism of material removal is due to the melting and evaporation, not due to erosion and cavitation. It is due to the melting and evaporation of the workpiece material. Material removal takes place due to the melting and evaporation of the workpiece material. Any electrical conductor can be machined using this method. It can be used only for conducting materials, electrically conducting materials. Some light oil like transformer oil or kerosene oil is used as dielectric. Transformer oil or kerosene is used as dielectric. So option D is correct. 1, 2, 3. All the three statements are correct. Material removal is by melting and evaporation, not by cavitation. Okay, melting and evaporation. Preferable tool properties in EDM are: the preferable tool properties: high electrical conductivity, low thermal conductivity, low electrical conductivity, high thermal conductivity, high electrical conductivity and high thermal conductivity. The properties of tool: copper has high electrical conductivity, is a good electrical conductor, and it is a good thermal conductor. Copper is a good thermal as well as electrical conductor. So option C is correct. Match the following the process with the corresponding material mechanism. So machining process, mechanism of material removal: chemical machining, electrochemical machining, electrical discharge machining, ultrasonic machining. So the chemical machining, in the chemical machining due to corrosive reaction. In electrochemical machining, corrosive reaction. In ultrasonic machining due to erosion. Okay, S1. Okay, the option is given wrong. Ultrasonic machining is erosion. In electrical discharge machining due to fusion and vaporization. Okay, evaporation, melting and evaporation. Okay, in electrical discharge machining due to melting is fusion and vaporization is evaporation. So R4. Then in the electrochemical machining due to ion displacement. So chemical machining corrosive reaction, electrochemical machining ion displacement, and ultrasonic machining erosion, electrical discharge machining fusion and vaporization. Following unconventional machining processes are available in a shop floor. The most appropriate one to drill a hole of square cross section of 6 mm cross 6 mm and 25 mm deep is abrasive jet machining, plasma arc machining, laser beam machining, electro discharge machining. Okay, electro discharge machining, to drill a hole of cross section to large holes can be made by electrical discharge machining, EDM. Option D is correct. wear of tool during EDM process would result in deeper hole, lesser diameter hole, both and none. If the tool wear, copper tool wears in EDM process, it will result in a lesser diameter hole. Option B is correct. EDM is not suitable for machining of very hard metals, glass and plastics, fragile metallic components, none of the above. So USM is a method used for machining glass and plastics. So EDM is not suitable for glass and plastics. Okay, 9B. During EDM, the temperature developed at the point of the spark is of the order of 10,000 degrees, 1000 degrees Celsius, 5000 degrees Celsius, 10,000 degrees Celsius, 20,000 degrees Celsius. So it is in the order of 10,000 degrees Celsius. The type of energy used in EDM is mechanical energy, chemical energy, electrical energy and thermal energy. So in EDM, thermal energy is used. Okay, option D is correct. So match the mechanism with the correct code. Plasma arc machining, electro discharge machining, electrochemical machining. Plasma arc machining, it is equally effective on any metal regardless of hardness. Okay, plasma arc machining. And electrical discharge machining, no pressure is exerted on the workpiece. No pressure is exerted on the workpiece. And electrochemical machining, economical when large number of parts require lot of material removal. Okay, R2. Okay, so option A is correct. Which one of the following statements is not true in case of EDM? The size of impression on the workpiece surface is exactly same as of the tool. Okay, so is not true. So this is true. The electrode is made of graphite or copper. So this is also true. The gap, so A is not true. So electrode is made of graphite or copper. Gap between tool and workpiece is controlled by servo mechanism. Okay, servo mechanism is available to control the gap. Erosion takes place both on the workpiece and tool. It is also correct. So it is not correct. The size of impression on the workpiece surface is exactly same as that of the tool. It is not correct. Okay, some tolerance have to be made on the tool and on the tool. Okay, it's not same. So option A is not correct. The EDM process is, select the correct answer, capable of producing sharp corners, direct contact machining, not useful for hard materials, burr free. So the EDM process is burr free. No burr have been developed using this EDM process. Machining of conducting materials is done using EDM process, ECM process, laser beam machining, abrasive jet machining. So conducting materials is done by using the EDM process. Deionized water is used as dielectric in wire cut EDM, electrical discharge diamond grinding, electrochemical machining. So deionized water is used as a dielectric in wire cut EDM. A zigzag cavity in a block of high strength alloy is to be finished machined. This can be carried out using EDM, ECM, LBM, abrasive flow machining, abrasive jet machining. It is done by using electric discharge machining. Then electric discharge machining, ultrasonic machining and chemical machining, ion beam machining. Okay, here in that is machining of glass is done by using ultrasonic machining. Okay, ultrasonic machining of glass is done by using ultrasonic machining. Okay, machining of glass is done by using ultrasonic machining. So it is correct. Q is 3. Okay, Q 3. And electrical discharge machining of electrically conductive materials. P is 2. And R, chemical machining, no residual stress is developed during machining. R1. And ion beam machining, it is a nano machining. Ion beam machining is a nano machining. Okay, then next one, electron beam machining process is suitable for following type of material. So it can be used for low melting point and high thermal conductivity, high melting point and low thermal conductivity, high melting point and high thermal conductivity, low melting point and low thermal conductivity. EBM process is mainly suitable for high melting point material having low thermal conductivity. Option B is correct. The machining process which needs vacuum for its operation is electron beam machining, EDM and ECM plasma arc machining. And electron beam machining needs vacuum for its operation, EBM. The electron beam machining, the order in which the electrons passed through after emitted by the filament cathode is anode and diaphragm, focusing lens and deflector coil. So in electron beam welding, high velocity focused stream of electrons heat and melts and vaporizes the work material at the point of bombardment. So the high velocity electrons bombard at the workpiece side and it removes a work material. So electrons are emitted from hot tungsten cathode. Okay, electrons are emitted from the hot tungsten cathode and accelerated. It can be accelerated by the electric field and it is focused by the magnetic field. For focusing, we are using the focusing lens. So kinetic energy of electrons is converted into heat energy in electron beam welding process. It is a thermoelectric process. So it consists of a cathode, anode and a grid curve. Okay. So DC current only is used in electron beam machining. DC voltage is applied and the microscope is used to move the beam to the workpiece by the operator. Okay. So the anode, diaphragm, focusing lens and deflector coil. So option C is correct. So this is a EBM process in electron beam machining. Okay, in the EBM process, so cable and anode, electron beam, magnetic lens and deflection coils. This is arrangement. In electron beam machining, as the electron strikes the workpiece, electrochemical etching takes place. They get scattered. Mechanical erosion in the workpiece takes place. Their kinetic energy is converted into heat. Kinetic energy of electrons is converted into heat. That is option D is correct for EBM. The vacuum in electron beam machining chamber is of the order of 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 2 torr, 10 power minus 4 to 10 power minus 5 torr, 10 power minus 6 to 10 power minus 7 torr, 10 power minus 8 to 10 power minus 9 torr, 10 power minus 4 to 10 power minus 5 torr. Option B is correct. The vacuum in electron beam welding does not allow rapid deoxidation of incandescent filament, rapid oxidation of incandescent filament, both of them, none of them. It doesn't allow, vacuum doesn't allow rapid oxidation of incandescent filament. So option B is correct. Holes in nylon buttons are made by ECM, electrochemical machining, laser beam machining, EDM, electrical discharge machining, USM. It is made by laser beam machining, LBM. The process of utilizing mainly thermal energy for removing material is USM, ECM, AJM, LBM. LBM. Option D is correct. So already we discussed in the previous lecture, but the option here, the option A is correct. Computer chips are made by photochemical machining. Metal forming dies are made by electrochemical machining. Dies and punches are made by electrochemical machining, and turbine blades are made by here the options are given wrong. Computer chip made by photochemical machining and glass by ultrasonic machining. Metal forming dies and punches are made by EDM process, and turbine blades are made by electrochemical machining. Okay. The process utilizing mainly thermal energy for removing material is ultrasonic machining, ECM, AJM and LBM. Thermal energy for removing material is laser beam machining. The laser beam machining, solid laser and liquid lasers and gaseous lasers are used, and they are concentrated, and this concentrated laser beam is made to strike on the workpiece, and this removes the material. This is the working of laser beam machining. Ruby rod is a solid laser which is used in laser beam machining. Is made of crystalline aluminum oxide or sapphire, copper oxide, zinc oxide, none of the above. So ruby rod is crystalline aluminum oxide or sapphire. So option A is correct. Plasma is a mixture of electrons, ions, both and none. It is a mixture of electrons and ions. So plasma arc cutting, transferred arc mode can machine only electrically conducting workpiece, only electrically non-conducting workpiece, both type of workpiece, none of the above. So it can be used for only electrically conducting workpiece. Nitrogen is used as plasma gas in air plasma torch, oxygen injector torch, both type of torch, none of the above. It is a